Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Aries. We are picking few cards. So first for your general energies, guys, Aries, this is for your relationship, this card, and this card is for your career situation, guys, Aries. So let's start with the general energy, and I also have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested to watch that, you can go ahead, guys. So let's start with the general energy. So we have the Devil in reverse, Seven of Wands, and Page of Swords in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Aries, you are making great efforts, you are striving hard, maybe in your career or it may be something in your personal life. So to bring that understanding with this person, to have that meaningful relationship with this person, you are making great efforts today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have some confusions in your situation. You don't know what this person likes, or you don't know how things are going to go in your career. So some kind of doubts or confusions are there today for you. And maybe this may be your energy or their energy. You may have some kind of a habit, or you may have something you need to worry about, maybe some illness or some bad habits. So that again is causing stress, or it may be a sickness of someone, maybe someone from your family is sick and you are simply worried because you are not prepared for this circumstance today, guys. So something unforeseen or unexpected changes are coming in your situation, Aries. It may be something negative, guys, for some of you, but I also see that you are in a very good position. Maybe you are seeing troubles today, but you are making great efforts and you are working with that devotion and honesty. So you are proceeding towards a very positive change in life, guys. So for some of you, it may be for not for some of you, for most of you, I see that it may be an unexpected good news, guys, in your situation. So whatever troubles or stress you faced till now, you may have that turn of change of wind in your situation, and things are beginning to fall into place, Aries. So for your relationship, we have to the sea. So this just means that we need to trust where this connection is taking us. So have that trust in the universe, or have trust in how our circumstances are unfolding. Have faith in ourselves. So if it is true love you have for this person will understand you and things will move towards marriage or engagement, guys. So there is a natural flow of events. So we should not obstruct it in any way today. We have to just be patient and wait and observe how things are going, guys. Go with the flow. That is what I mean. So what is a card for your career situation? We have TikTok. So divine timing is working in your career situation, guys. So whatever you need to get, whatever you are expected to reach, your goals and aspirations, you will be able to reach all that at the right time. So nothing will be held back from you. So all you need to do is make those efforts. You need to do every day, each and every day, to reach success, Aries. So that is the reading with these cards, Aries. For your pick a card love reading, stay tuned. That is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whatever your situation is, you can think about it in your mind, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card that comes to you first, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So what do we have here? Petalite. So this is the oracle card for you all, for your situation, guys. It may be something in your career or personal life, in this relationship. So this card just means that you have to be a witness today. Observe your situation from a distance. Maybe when we are too close to our situation, we are emotional and we may not see, we may not be able to analyze the details and motives for that, what is making that other person behave in such a way and what is triggering them today. And we may not have that clarity because we are too close to that person or too close to our situation. So we need to step back if you want a clear vision, that clarity in your circumstance. If you are a witness, if you become a witness today, you will simply see things more clearly and you will know what is the right action today in your life or in this connection. So what has to be done, you will know and you will be able to fix things, guys. So that is what this card is about. So this card invites us to give space, make space for ourselves, so we'll be able to listen to the right things and we'll be able to fix our circumstance. So let it be something in our career or something in our personal life. So we have to step out of that emotional behavior that we have that detachment in our heart and see our situation from a different perspective. So that way we will get that clarity, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So for those who have chosen this card, so let's see what is the second card. For those who have chosen this card, it is Snow White, purity. So that is what this card is about, guys. It stands for purity, triumph of that pure heart today. And whatever challenges or whatever difficult circumstances you are facing, you will not change. You stand by your ideals with that truth that you have in your heart, and you are a very trustworthy and loving person, caring. You are devoted to the people you have in your life. It may be friends or this person you love. You are kind and your innocence, your uncorrupted heart will shine through difficult times you are facing in your life, guys. So even when people around you are trying to harm you in some ways, you you bounce back much more stronger, much more mature and much more ripened with that light of experience. And you have people with evil intentions towards you, around you, but it has not made the way into your heart. So You do not reciprocate their jealousy, envy, or their bad intentions. So you have that goodness in your heart, and you are a very trustworthy and loyal person, pure heart, guys. So in your life, you may be in some difficult situation right now, but you are going to come out of it shining bright, showing people around you what you are made of, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, this stands for purity and triumph of the pure heart. So you are a person with pure intentions, and there is never going to be a failure in your life, because you are a person who is really truthful to what you have in your heart, and you stand by your values and ideals. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.